Here we're supposed to find the cosine of the arcsine of minus the square root of 3 over 2. So here we have an angle for which the sine ratio is minus square root of 3 over 2. So we start thinking about, okay, the inverse sine, we got to deal with this inverse sine first. That is only defined from minus pi over 2 to pi over 2. And somewhere in here, in that range, on the right half, there's an angle where the sine ratio is minus square root of 3 over 2. Well, since it's negative, it must be in the fourth quadrant. So we think about that then. Okay, the y coordinate, and I'm going to pull this triangle out and make it bigger so I can write on it. So we have this angle here, theta, and its sine ratio is minus square root of 3 over 2. But we know this triangle, we recognize these sides then as being our 30, 60, 90 triangle, or our pi over 6, pi over 3, 90 triangle. So now what we're looking for is the cosine. Now we didn't really have to recognize this. We could have used the Pythagorean theorem to find this side 1. So if we don't get numbers that we recognize like this, we can still use the Pythagorean theorem to get the missing side. But what we're looking for then is the cosine of that angle, which would be adjacent over hypotenuse. So this cosine then is going to be a half.